What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video here. Today, we've got 20 pallets David and I collected last night. It was an adventure, just that in itself, but I wanted to make the goats a little bit of a paradise. It's been a thought in my brain for a little bit now. Look at that, look at Boots. It's just vibing. I went to Home Depot the other day, got a bunch of hardware. These are like brackets that we're gonna be able to connect all these pallets with. And then of course, it's almost impossible to grab one of these and not just 2 clicks. Let me show you what we got here. So we got a bunch of these brackets. You'll understand all this more in just a little bit. We're actually gonna put these like this, and the other bracket will be on this side, which will keep them connected. Super simple. And I've done this before. That's kind of how I built the first one that they have over there already. Except for this one's gonna be huge. 20 pallets, we have a giant slide. We're gonna get some more stuff. It's gonna be crazy. Stick along, stay tuned. First, let's quickly feed the animals. Goats. So out here on the farm we got 20 pigs, probably like 30 ducks. I know. Just call me the pig guy at this point. If y'all are new to the channel, make sure to drop a subscription down. Who says that, dude? Drop a subscription. Subscribe down below, hit the like button while you're down there. Let's feed the goats. Hello, little ones. Go over to their bowl. Do you hear these pigs?
What is that?
They'll cry until they get fed. I have children. Like, can you move so I can pour it in the... There we go. Why are you crying? Oh, they're all in a mood today. All right.
Oh, don't do it. Don't do it. It's not working.
So what they get is actually a mix. I have some corn in there, as you can see, and then I also have some normal grain. Nice little mixture there for these spoiled rotten pigs. You can hear the other pigs over there crying. They're waiting for us.
I like that shirt, dude.
Thanks, man. You can get it at the PaulCuffaroBrand.com.
You should, because it looks really good.
Drip, drop. Am I a good model?
Yeah.
Good model,
let's
right?
do a little montage real quick.
Yeah, for sure. Go get your merch. She's so cute. So this pig is like my most personality. She'll like jump on my leg and stuff. Watch. She just wants to hug and hang out. She's the best. She's literally the best. And every single one of these pigs has a cool story behind it. I mean, Mango rescued it from an awesome family down south Miami that couldn't actually keep it anymore when they were moving out of that house. We got Lady May here that I rescued 24 hours before coming bacon by the owner.
That's why she likes you so much, bro.
I know. She literally, I think she knows. She will literally cuddle me, like straight up but in a ball. That big of a pig. So everything is eating here at the farm, at least on this side. Look at the turkey. What is, he's always so heated for some reason. And enough dilly-dallying, we're getting straight to making Pallet Paradise. This is gonna be super cool. My idea is something like this. This is literally my plan. I wanna put both pallets on the side and then just stick one on top and do like a whole path of that, or at least something like that. But at the same time, I don't know once we get over there with all these pallets if we're gonna have like the amount that I think we have. We also have this massive slide. Hey Boots, what's up, bud? Got on the side of the road, big, and I want to incorporate that somewhere on the new parts that we build wrapping around here. I also found this salon chair and I flattened it out because they like to lay on stuff friendly. You good, bro? You good?
Dude, this place is crazy, bro.
It's insane.
You've been putting in so much work. I just can't even believe how much work you got done. Hey, dude, more pigs, bro.
Yeah. So these guys I found on the side of the road. Not even kidding. And then these ones I rescued from a place that was trying to get rid of them. Someone was going to buy them for slaughter, for eating, because of how small and the type they are. All right. You're getting so much better with letting me touch you. And then you got Big Boy over here. The enclosure looks immaculate. Hector and the boys came out, they got all the dead palms off the ground, cleaned it up. I think it's time for me to get something really cool for this pond. Massive pond in the backyard. Got koi fish, pacu in here, tilapia, lots of tilapia. But I want to get something really cool for this pond. Different species, maybe something like largemouth, something cool. Let me know what you guys would want to see inside this pond fish-wise down in the comments below. The bank is just a straight drop off, like just straight down. All right, enough talking. Animals have eaten. It's time to get building. Here we go. We're about halfway through now with the pallets. I did 10 while he was taking some drone shots. Now I need your help because that was a workout.
Dude, you're killing it.
Look at the ghosts. They're climbing all over the ones we already put in there. It's crazy. So what I'm doing is pretty much grabbing the pallet, and keep in mind there's 10 of them, so I have to put 10 over this fence, then once I get them over this fence, I gotta go over the next fence. One over, like that. Hop this, grab it, go over the next one. Another one bites the dust. I sounded so good they might copyright me for that. Watch out, boys.
Move it. Move it. Get down.
Boots, the king of the playground. It's time. It's time to build. We got 90% of the pallets over the fence. We're gonna move this out of the way for now. It's not even drilled in yet. We're gonna unscrew this right here, because this is gonna be our ladder to go on what we build from here. It'll make sense as it happens. The plan is to come right here and build from there. Make this crazy mechanism of a playground, and then we'll use that stair to kind of come up over there somewhere. Sound like a plan?
Sounds like a plan.
Sounds like a plan. Let's get to it. No, 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 no. Halt on the go build. I forgot to charge the battery. Be back in a second. All right, the mic was off, so a lot of the footage looked like this. But yes, we're back. We've actually stuck this on top. See? It's like a little L shape now. Stuck this on top. We put a little L right here and a bracket in between that holds it. The super cool part about these certain brackets that we're using today is they actually bend. So if we need to make turns, cuts, this, that, it's easy. At the very end, I want to spray paint this whole entire thing a color. Made like a brown or something, because my house is all white and brown. See the filter house for the pond over there, and then you got my house over there. They're both the same color. I kind of want to do that same thing over here. All right, David, need a pallet. Look how many pallets we have. And that piece of wood right there is gonna be super cool too. But we're gonna put a pallet on top. Look, they're already trying to see what's up over here. Got the L shape here. Yeah, right there, boom. Yeah, look at that. Woo! Fits perfectly. Nice and snudge.
Dude, that looks way better.
Way better. They can even go up in there too. They will be able to, because I'm gonna keep this whole tunnel going. All right, so I didn't like the way it looked with this bracket on the outside, like showing from there. So I'm actually gonna switch it up and do one of these bendy ones inside. Oh, look at that fit. It's nice and windy today. Got a nice breeze. Look at that. These things are killer, man. Now you got that one to hold that one in place, and it ain't going anywhere. So you got this right there, this right here. They're looking good. All right, I have an idea. We need to start a whole new one right here. Probably put a pallet there and split across with that one piece of wood where they can walk across, and have a whole nother section over here. That's the plan. We have a lot of pallets, like plenty to even work with. Make it official, huh? That's it. Another one over here. So now look, they have a little spot they could literally come and hang out in, bro. Fully covered. Nice breeze because it's a pallet, so it has these openings. This is awesome. And we come out from here. Ah, oh, jump up here. It's very sturdy. Not a problem at all walking up here. Hop down. And now we're actually gonna start working on the second part of this entire thing where the slide is gonna be incorporated. Look at that big old slide. It's massive, it's big. Let's get to work. I think later on, once I get my chainsaw running, I might cut this off. That way it's nice and neat, you know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
But for now, looks good. You need some goat houses being built, let me know. My number is 5. Bring this. Ow! God, I'm destroying myself. We want to go back straight, so that. Goat can walk across that, no issue. These are the lighter pellets that we can use for the roof. We want to use these for the structure because they're sturdier, thicker, harder, and pressure treated. All right, let's get it. What does this guy do for a living? Make YouTube videos or build goat enclosures? Couldn't tell. It's just piece by piece, like putting a puzzle together. I'm just making a simple square here. I'm actually gonna make this 2 stories, so similar to that.
No way.
What the? Am I wanted or something? All right, update. Boots is up top already, but let me give you a far view of what's going on. This is our initial piece here. We have added all this. There's this, I'm gonna cut this with a chainsaw, a little crossway onto this whole thing, which is gonna be a whole nother platform here. And we pretty much created like a big old playground. This is sick.
You've done like 50 of these. These things are so heavy.
They are very, very heavy. Here, I'll take it from you. This is the moment we've all been waiting for, even myself. We made the whole deck for this. A massive slip and slide. That's so freaking cool, dude. I mean, I gotta try it, huh?
Yeah.
It's only fair if I try it.
It's like your parents with Halloween candy.
Yeah. It just snaps to the top. Yo! Hey, Dave, you gotta try this. Send it!
Here we go, boys.
Hey, Boots, give it a try, bud. Me and you, Boots. Let's go, bud. Woohoo! He's like, wait, that was kind of fun. I want to do that again. Something really cool about this project as well is there's literally spots that they could just go and kind of hang out, get some shade. The back of this is completely open. I didn't even put anything in the back. There's just no point. Look at that. I mean, that's crazy. That's insane. So yeah, they got this whole platform to kind of lay out on because they love to just lay and bask up the sun like a turtle. They can go back here, hang out in here. They can also, like we mentioned, walk through here, but go up in here as well. Boots likes to jump up here and then up onto there. We have a couple more pallets to work with. I'm gonna do something just super random. Cut back to the camera and I'll show you what I make. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. So I thought we were done with day 1, but I thought of more to do. So as you can see, I've added this whole entire thing onto the top. And now it has the same exact thing as over there. Follow me. They go over here, jump on the stump, then jump up here. I need to find out a way to get a stump over there. I tried grabbing one over here. It's just absolutely filled with red ants. And I don't want to get bitten by 1,000 red ants, so. It's for the Cuffaros, man, it's for the Cuffaros! Oh God, they're everywhere. Ah, it's not a big enough stump.
What happened?
I only got bit like twice, that was pretty good. The stump's not big enough. All right. Boom. Cherry on top. And we don't like to waste material around here, so this piece, what do you think it looks better, that way? This way?
That way.
Like that. Bigger platform to them to jump up on and get up here. See ya in day 2. It is day 2, and today was initially going to be the day we paint this. We were gonna paint the whole entire thing. I went to Home Depot and I couldn't figure out what the heck I was gonna buy. Each can of spray paint was like $7. By the time I spray painted this whole thing, it would have been like $1,000. So I held off on that, and a thing of paint, I wasn't exactly sure which one I should buy that was not only animal safe, but also going to dry the fastest and was the correct one to buy. I just am not familiar enough, so I'm gonna have to wait to do that. But we're gonna paint this eventually. Maybe next video. So make sure to subscribe down below. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already. Smash the like button. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. This was epic. So much fun to build. As you can see, the goats are all over it. They're eating up here right now. Hey, bud. What's up, Boots? I'm gonna take one lap around this with the GoPro, and you can see what we created today. Thank you all so much for watching. This right here is the goat playground. Goat knocked it down. Without further ado, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
You get down from there before you get hurt, bro.
Yeah, for real.
You're gonna get a nail.
Oh!